سڵاتان لێبێ گوڵە جوانەکانی پۆلیۆک بە هیوام هەر باش و سەلامەت بن و ساڵی نوێشتان لە پیرۆز بێ. هیوادارم ئەم ساڵ بێتە ساڵێکی پڕ لە ئارامی و تەندروستێکی باش بۆ ئێوە. گوڵە جوانەکانم. From this lesson we will going to discuss our reading new number. But before we will read this new number, we will make a quick review from previous lesson. کەواتە بەرەوەی ئێمە وانەیەکی نوێ بخوێنین، وانەیەکی ژمارەی نوێ فێر ببین، یەکێکی ڕیڤیوێکی سەریعەکەینەوانێ بۆ ژمارانی کە لە پێشوە ئێمە خوێندوانە. باش. Okay. What's this number? Who can tell me what's this number? This number one. کەواتە ئەمە چییە؟ Number one. After number one, what's this number? We have number two. Kata, let one number one chin here, number two. After number two, we have what's this number? This number three. Let one number two chin here, number three. After number three is we have number four. What's this number? This number four. After number five, after number four, sorry, we have this number five. What's this number? This number five. Got the number 14 here, number five. After number five, we have number six. Let one number five here, number six. After number seven, we have. After number six, we have number seven. Okay, what's this number? This number seven. After seven, we have number eight. What's this number? This number eight. After number eight, we have number, what's this number? This number nine. Okay. From all previous lesson, we learned how reading and writing this number. كانت لوانەکانی پێشوە ئێمە فێر بووین چۆن ئەم ژمارانە ئەنووسرێت و خوێندرێتەوە. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After number 9, from this lesson today, we're going to discuss this and reading this new number as number 10. كەواتە لێرەیە لە دوای نمبەر 9ەوە نمبەرێکی تر ئەخوێنین. ئەوی چییە؟ نمبەر 10. Number 10 is consists of 0 and number 1. کاتە نمبەر 10 ئەو ژمارەیە کە پێکاتووە لە 0 و نمبەر 1. بەم ژمارەیە بەیە ئەوتێکی نمبەر 10. So what's this number? This number 10. What's this number? This number 10. After number 9, we have number 10. Number 10 is consists of 0 and 1. كواتا. Number 10 بيكات ولا جمارة يك خيمان ولا 0 كلا سردا خيمان. كبمعنى النصية. شو؟ How writing number 10? شو number 10 أمسي؟ Writing number 10 by this way. بمشوي number 10 أمسي. Let's start from here and finish it from here and writing 0. Kawata, what's this number? What's number 10? Or you can write it by this way. Kawata, شواني ما بشويش بنفسي. أتواني بدوش جور بنفسي. Do عليكم عليكم again. You can write by this way. Or you can write by another way. Now we have some picture. We're going to see some picture. Okay, now in this picture we have number 10. Number 10. How writing number 10? Writing by this way. Which one number 10? I'm saying here this speaking. Let's start from here. And finish it from here. كاتب ليريا ليرو دسبيكي ليرو كوتايبين and وزيرو كش بهمان شو ليرو دسبيكي and finish it from here. Kağıtı çiğ number 10. How many taxi do you see? Çend taxi miheyleri yani picture agelo bibinin. Let's count. Bak yanlışları. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 taxi from here. Emma, the taxi man here. Basha and Jan Chiaka. We have another picture. We need to come on here. How many balls do you see? Chantopa vinigera. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is number 10. This consists of 0 and 1. كواحد ده توبهم هيليرو وأمش number 10 كبيك هاتوا لجماريكو لزيرو. باشا بيك هاتوا لنمبر 1 ونمبر 0. How many lemon do you see? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 lemons. How writing number 10 by this way? Let's start from here and finish it from here. And let's start from here and finish it from here. Count the number 10. Let's practice how to write here number 10. بعد practice can say number 10. Let's start from here and finish it from here. It's so easy. Let's start from here and finish it from here. كاتبم جوره من number 10 أنسي. زور أصلاً إيوش can you repeat after me? أتواني لدومينو دباري كناوني بزنان شان نفسه. Let's start from here and finish it from here. Let's start from here and finish it from here, and also let's start from here and finish it from here. كاتبن جورة شكلي number 10 أنوسي ويا. After that, how many fingers do you see? Sorry. How many fingers do you see? Çan panjabinilere. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kate panjabani desman çan danan dedanen. That's number 10. Okay? How many socks do you see? Çan gorevi ebinen lera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 socks from here. How writing number 10? Why is this one? After the road is clean out. My number 10. I'm sure I answer. زور آسان. بنجورا أول كاج number 10 أنسى. باشا. How many orange do you see? In this picture, how many orange do you see? شان برتقال أبين الليلة. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 orange in this picture. كاتبة شويش number 10 أنسى. باشا. بمجورا این practice أكين لسر number 10 بزانين شان أنسى. هم شبه. هم كاديك كود speaking أميروا وسفركش ليرو speaking بمشور كود هيبيني. زور آسان. باشا. بمشوه practice أكين بزانين شان number 10 هم بسير دا چی بد اسمه right. Okay, now we have some video to see. Let's going to see this video.
And learn.
What's the video?
Here we are again, number 10. That's right, I'm number 10. And today I'll be telling you a few things about me. Remember, we'll be singing a song at the end of the video. You can't miss it. The first thing we'll do is say my name. Repeat after me. 10. 10. Louder. 10. Now, I'm going to show you how to write number 10. Number 10 is made up of two numbers, 1 and 0. Let's begin with number 1. We're going to start right here and go all the way up. Then we'll trace a vertical line. That's number 1. Let's try tracing 0. We're going to start right here and draw a curve. Then we'll close the curve, tracing it all the way up. That's it. This is number 10. Oh, look, I look like a snail. Try it at home using some paper and a pencil. It's easy peasy. How about looking at some examples? Whoa, look, flowers. So pretty. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 flowers. How many fingers are there on both hands? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 fingers on both hands. And how many children are there on this school bus? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 children on the school bus. Hey, do you want to sing later? And how many boxes do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 boxes. Awesome! Sing along, everyone. Monkey, so hip, nobody can leave your eyes. The monkey is crazy, you guys. Kids go on a field trip with a wild monkey, so hip, nobody can leave their eyes. The monkey is crazy, you guys.
زۆر جوانەکانی پۆلیەک بەم جۆرە هاتینە کۆتاییوانی ئەمڕۆمان کاتە ئێمە لەم وانەیە reading is new number is number 10. Number 10 is consists of 0 and number 1 and learning how reading and writing number 10. کاتە لەوانی ئەمڕۆ فێر بووین چۆن نمبەر 10 ئەخوێنینەوە چۆن کاونتینی ئەکەین و چۆنیش ئەینووسین بە هیوام لە ماڵەوە پراکتیکی لەسەرکەن و سوودتان لەم وانەیە وەرگرتبێ و خاتان نەکەن.